Welcome everybody. In this video, I will be telling you about the form filling procedure of Great Eastern. Yes, they have released their forms for the August 2024 batch for DNS. Firstly, just open any browser of yours and write their GE Institute, that is Great Eastern Institute. Okay, and let the website open. I'd like you to say that firstly, before filling any form, you must go through the website completely so that you get a gist of what are the requirements of the various institutes and then proceed on further filling the procedure. Here in Great Eastern, to summarize, your PCM required is 60, your English is 50% either in class 10th or class 12th, and your age must be less than 25 years of age before 1st of August 2024. Okay, you must appear for the IMUCET before joining the college. That is, you can fill the form now, but you must fill the form of IMUCET later on when it comes. Appear in that, and that will be the criteria for you to get into the college. Although Great Eastern does not want to good rank, uh, medium ranks are acceptable in Great Eastern. Just accept the cookies and here just go through the website, everything, and your form will come here in important notice, news and announcement part. The form filling fees is approximately 750 rupees. Depends on how much your what is your platform for filling the fees. UPI, credit card, and all plus 20 to 30 rupees maybe there. Now, once you fill the form, you will further on asked by the Great Eastern to appear for the exam in I think March end. So there you will have your exams of general aptitude, physics, maths, chemistry, and English. Every every exam, suppose if it is of 20 marks, yeah, 100 marks, the cutoff is released by the Great Eastern on a later date, and you have to clear the cutoff of all the examination to be, eligible for Great Eastern's interview. So the cutoffs are released every year on the basis of the marks that candidate is getting. So cutoff है, तो of course it is that. Now here apply for DNS 38. This is the batch number for August 2024, and the last date of the form filling is 15th May 2024. Okay, you click on apply here. Here you will get your form requiring the various details. What I have noticed in the form is that it is very simple. It was not like Talani form where you have to fill for 10 different pages and continue. यहाँ पे just click on next. You choose your course. Say it is DNS. Now you upload your photo. ठीक है. So say got to upload it. Then you put your first name. You put your last name. Whatever is in asterisk, that is mandatory. If you have any middle name, then you can put just say if my name is Mukund Kumar Jha, then Kumar will be my middle name, Jha will be my last name. Choose your date of birth. Okay. Suppose you click here firstly, then you click here. Uh, Suppose if it is 2004 August and 19th, your age is automatically calculated here 19.5. Then the mobile number, you put your own mobile number. Then the gender, male, female, email ID. ठीक है. Here, whatever email ID you'll give, you'll get an OTP. Okay. All right. And as you said, they're asking to generate email ID. Now, I don't think I've written it correctly. So now it will generate the OTP. The OTP will be there on the email. You just have to put it. Okay. And then you have to move further on. So you put your blood group, you put your marital status, single, I think mostly, Indian nationality, your Aadhaar card number, again the 12-digit number, your PAN card number, it is not mandatory. You can leave it. If you have, fill it, not a problem. So here Hindi is the mother tongue mostly. Place of birth, it should coincide with the place of birth that is mentioned either on your passport or on your birth certificate, preferably birth certificate. All right. Suppose if it was Patna for in my case, then the physical fitness, it says mandatory. Your height and your weight. You put your height, whatever it is, 175 centimeters, and the weight, suppose if it is 65. Okay. Now a few details to be filled. Personal part, your guardian's name. Okay, it should be your full name, father's name. Then his occupation as a mandatory part. So suppose he is a others may businessman, so you full businessman there. Company, you put the name of the company, designation, email ID of your father. These all things are not mandatory. Just the occupation was. Income here is mandatory. They are just trying to check that if you're able to fill the fees by yourself. So if just put your slot. Acha, there is also some option farmer. So what about company? It is not mandatory to fill. If you still want to fill, you can write here self-employed and again self-employed. Then put the email to just use your common sense, use your brain, you'll get the answer by yourself. Still, if you have any doubts, you can join the IMUmate's WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. The link you'll get in the description box. Yeah, just message me in the Instagram. Yeah, Shoaib sir in the Instagram. You'll type IMUmate in the Instagram. You'll get the everything there. Then your mother's name, again, you have to fill her full name. Her occupation, if she is housewife, I think must be an option. Agar nahi hai, then just put other. And if you want to put the company's name and all, it's not mandatory, as I said. So just leave it empty. Income you can put. So again, it is not mandatory. So if you want to put, well and good. Otherwise, don't. The phone number of the father is mandatory here, so just put it here. Now here they're asking you about your passport details. All right. So you have to passport. Like if you put the no, there will be a message like passport is mandatory document without which the admission cannot be provided. If you continue applying for your candidate, applying your candidature will not be accepted without passport. You can apply for Tatkal passport and apply again for the course at GIMS after reception of passport. So don't please apply for the passport. See if it is not if they are not taking the form without passport, then yes, you will have problems. Otherwise, either put yes or put applied. Okay, if you say apply, you'll get options like that. What was the date of application? What was the mode of the application? Normal or Tatkal? Is police verification done? Yes or no? And what is the expected date of the passport to come? So better that you go and get your passport as soon as possible. Companies have made it mandatory actually because what happens is in the end of the procedure, college find out that everything is ready. You are ready to go join, but you don't have a passport. So they have to, redo this and they have to reject you and select a new candidate. So they have removed that part and they're asking you to get yourself a passport before even filling the form. It was not there when I was, filling the form and all in 2 years back. So if you have a passport, then the passport number, the date of issue, place of issue, and the valid up to. Then you further fill the address details. The address must coincide with the passport. It will be better. Permanent address is the address which is always your home, actual home, and the correspondence address is the rental property. If you are living in a rental property of somebody else, then you put here. If the same is there, then you just click here, so everything will be copied. Okay. So suppose if I write ASD here and you put it here, so everything will be copied. Now district pin code, select the state and telephone with STD code. You can skip that. It's not mandatory. Then, acha, one more thing is here. Reference. No, it's another section. Now, then qualification details. So, standard 10th, standard 12th, sorry, standard 10th, then the year of joining of standard 10th, result declared, year of passing, English, aggregate percentage, name of the school college, and the board name. Okay, so if the board is CBSE, just try to fill the form in caps locks. Okay, CBSE or ICSE, whatever it is, ISC. Then fill it Declared or awaited. Declared means you will have to fill all these. Awaited means you are a appearing candidate, and even if you don't fill this, you cannot type anything in. Acha, yes, you can type it. If you, even if you don't fill, it will be fine. Okay, as it is saying, senatorial details are not mandatory. 10th ka detail was mandatory. Final qualification, they're asking if they have anything else. Acha, if you are in a BSc first year or second year, then you click on this BSc first year, second year. If BSc with PCM, BE, or BTech, then you have to write that. So what about if you put BSc first year, second year? Just write your English marks and the aggregate marks of the last semester, end semester, whatever it was. Suppose second year में fourth semester था, तो write your marks of fourth semester है, ठीक है? अगर इंग्लिश नहीं है, put 00, या फिर if any subject is not there, put 00, ठीक है? Now here they are asking you the PCM marks, ठीक है? It is of standard 12th. यहाँ पे if you are an appearing candidate, I am pretty much sure कि तुम्हारा नहीं होगा, ठीक है? तो just put here 00 and move further on. Okay. So you will be able to do that. If you have your PCM marks, if you are a 12th pass out, then you fill your normal for whatever your marks are. Okay. Now then, have you given IMUCET? Yes or no? If you fill no here, IMUCET is required to apply for DNS course. Please reapply for next batch after appearing in IMUCET. This is what they are saying. Okay. But I don't know what will happen. But if you just put no here and you fill the form like name of the person, reference, designation. Here you can fill the form of any man who is in merchant navy, and he knows you. Yeah, he has given you reference, company name, and his designation. How will you manage the expense of the course? Bank loan mostly, I think. And कैसे पता चला? How did you know about the Great Eastern? So you can say that aspiring minds या फिर others में you can mention IMUmate के YouTube channel से, या फिर you can mention anything wherever you got internet YouTube. Then you choose the online payment method. 750 is the amount for the payment. So if you submit it and it says that no, it is an error, you have to give the exams definitely. Then just click on yes and fill 00 everywhere. Okay, or yeah, fill 00 everywhere. But since all these are not necessary, तो नहीं होगा तुम्हारा. तो you if you say yes, तो तुम्हें और कुछ भरने का जरूरत नहीं होगा. अगर you are facing any difficulties in filling the form, you can always come up to the uh, website of ours या फिर telegram channel of ours and ask the doubts. I'll be there to guide you. Fill the form. After that, you'll click on submit. You'll be redirected to the windows for payment. There you can choose your UPI, credit card, debit card, or net banking. Further, pay the fees. You'll get an email of registration. Please keep a copy of that email. I'll suggest you that for all these form fillings and official email, make a new separate email so that it doesn't, gets up mixed when you get a email for something else and you are not, trying reading it. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. So please make sure, and that is all about for this video. Shoaib sir will also make a video where he will tell you about how to fill the what to keep in mind after filling the form, when the exams can happen, when the results of the exams will come, what will be the cutoff, and what will be the interview pattern and all. So please stay tuned for the video. Uh, that is all. Take care. Have a nice day.